Class 10th Political Science Lesson at Challenge to Democracy. First topic is thinking about challenges. At different points in this tour of the democracy, we have noted the serious challenges that democracy faces all over the world. A challenge is a difficulty that carries within it an opportunity for progress. Different countries face different kinds of challenges. At least one fourth of the globe is still not under democratic government. These countries face the foundational challenge of making the transition to democracy and then instituting democratic government. This involves bringing down the existing non-democratic regimes, keeping military from controlling governments, etc. Most of the established democracies face the challenge of expansion. This involves applying the basic principle of democratic government across all the regions. Different social groups and various institutions. Most countries, including India and other democracies like the US, face this challenge. The third challenge of depending of democracy is faced every democracy in one form or another. This should happen in such a way that people can realize their expectations of democracy. This challenge takes different meanings and paths in different parts of the world. This requires an attempt to bring down the control and influence of rich and powerful people in making government decisions. Next topic, thinking about political reforms. Generally, all the suggestions or proposals about overcoming various challenges to democracy are called democracy reform or political reform. If all the countries do not have the same challenges, it follows that everyone cannot follow the same recipe of political reforms. We can develop some proposals for reforms at the national levels, but the real challenges of reforms may not lie at the national level. Some broad guidelines that can be kept in mind while devising ways and means for political reforms in India. Number first, it is very tempting to think of legal ways of reforming politics, to think of new laws to ban undesirable things. Law has an important role to play in political reform. Democratic reforms are to be carried out mainly by political activists, parties, movements, politically conscious citizens. Number two, any legal change must carefully look at what results it will have on politics. Laws that seek to ban something are not very successful in politics. The best laws are those which empower people to carry out democratic reforms. Any proposal for political reforms should think not only about what is a good solution but also about who will implement it and how.